This product, CCS Combo 1 adapter, is only available for Tesla vehicles with CCS enabled. Please upgrade the CCS feature before using this adapter. How to check if your Tesla has CCS? Please check the subsequent video. Tesla before Oct. 2021 are without CCS enabled. PLS don't buy this adapter if your Tesla is not CCS enabled. This car is Tesla Model 3, specific to your own vehicle. First, open the control panel in the car. Click on Software to view Tesla details. In the Additional Vehicle Information section, you can see whether your vehicle is equipped with CCS adapter or not. If not, you can't buy CCS 1 adapter directly, because you can't use it. You need to upgrade this function. Restart the Tesla car and enter the control panel. In the lower left corner, you can see the System Upgrade prompt. Upgrade the system of Tesla from the cell phone. Now, you can see an upgrade on the car terminal. Tesla Restart. Open the control panel. Click Software. View Tesla system information. At this point you can see CCS adapter support shows enabled. Power needs to be disconnected. Control panel, click Safety. Then click Power Off. Front car power off. Power off at the rear end of the rear seat. ECU Replacement Location. At the rear tire of the car. You need to remove the original ECU to replace the new version of the ECU. After the above installation, connect the removed items to the connector, thus completing the ECU replacement.
But anyway, the adapter came in a box like this. It was wrapped with like an envelope, and it has a little pouch. So I guess for 230 bucks, it's okay. I'm probably gonna buy a Tesla adapter once it becomes available in the United States, but for now, this should do the job. I'm not sure about the quality. I mean, you can see the kind of 3D printed sort of kind of look to it. Maybe not as nice as the Tesla one, even though I have never had the Tesla one, but it seems like the build quality is okay. Not the greatest, but I think it should be able to do the job. So I drove to this charge station, this Electrify America charge station we've been driving for about 3 hours now, or maybe 4. So the battery is pretty much preheated already.
See CCS ECU retrofit tutoring video, and upgrade it with Tesla ECU box to have your Tesla with CCS enabled.